Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm having gum. I left gum in here, I'm gonna eat all the gum. Yeah, I gotta, since it's too damn cold to do much work in here, I've just been doing random shit. Well, I've been doing stuff, but not as much as I normally would. Normally I'd have the garage door open, welding, it's too fucking cold. There's 2 feet of snow outside. I'm not shoveling it, wait until it melts. If it gets a little warmer, like 0 or some degrees, I gotta clean a few things out of the way. My welder's by the door. I could do it with my fingers. My fingers are precious. So, I got something to show you. And while I'm showing you, I'm gonna clean the bench, obviously, because why not clean the bench? Made a mess anyway. So here, I'll take a look. I'll show you. Sorry about the crooked camera. I don't know if I can fix this. I don't know. Hold on. Anyway, there you go. Anyway, I picked up something randomly. Look, some crazy man sent me a purple hammer. How does one who collects hammers give them away? I don't get it. I love this color though. It's good. See, if you look here, this is awesome. Check this out before I do this. See that? Doesn't that look pretty? Hammer time. I'll leave it right there for you to ponder. Alright, I went out today. I had to go pick up plastic boxes. And while I picked up some plastic boxes, this fell out of the sky. It just landed in my hands. No, I didn't steal it and pay for the goddamn thing. But it came like this. It came in a box too, but I didn't feel like unwrap. Like, you know what the goddamn box is. I thought this was interesting. If you take this off, take that. This is pretty cool. If you turn it, somehow, it just comes off. But when you put it back on, see, it goes like that. And then it pushes in and just clicks. So if you want to adjust it, instead of unwinding it, like unscrewing it and putting the little latch, this one just locks in different directions. Which, yeah, I'm sure there's one point where it's going to get annoying. It won't go any further like this. Should be good. Got this. I also bought it for, well, I didn't buy it for this reason, but since I got this sucker in the mail, yeah, see my fancy furred little thingamabobber there. So I'm going to put this on here. Put that one on there. My P-furred thing there. Put it in there. I think it's on the right way. And the fancy thing here that locks it. It's a little tight. Nope. Wrong way. Wrong way. Hello. Hello, McFly. Yeah, so I'm guessing flat and round. Because I know some of the what do you call it, little things in here go in one way and some go in the other way. They're not all perfect. But last thing you need is a goddamn, what do you call it, wobbling disc in here. But anyway, I bought this disc because it's got a round edge, so it can round off stuff. And but this is pretty cool. Like, you just want to, like, there's no finagling with a freaking screwdriver or some locking. Well, you can do like that too. And of course, it'll pop off while you do it too far. So maybe this is the shittiest way to make a. Well, I can see one problem with it. There's a spring in here, and on the other side. So lose the spring, comes a problem. Handles, I don't normally use them on handles because they don't hang very good with handles. But I mean, it does help out when you're going like this. The other reason I bought it is because it has the little click button here. It's pretty neat. I mean, I don't have one with a button here. I don't think the other one. All the other ones have one at the bottom. I really want one with a trigger in the back, but I can't afford the cha-ching for it. So I'm gonna fire this up here for you, just so you can see what a wonderful purchase. this beautiful thing is. There we go. Yeah. Something wobbling. Something's not on right. Something's on crooked. I think I see what it is. Oh, anyway. I've done a million of these things, and yeah, okay. Leave it to today to screw it up. Anyway, you get the gist of it. It's a red grinder to to match the red little dragon here. So yeah, this is supposed to go in like this. And this should go on top like that. I know some of them lock in one way, some lock the other way. Yeah, 6-minute video on a freaking Milwaukee grinder. Okay. Go for the world record here. The other thing I notice is, come on now, people who invent these things. Can somebody make a goddamn grinder that just pops these things in? You can send people to the moon. You can send people all over the world. You can build tanks and airplanes. But we don't have a disc that just goes clickety-click under $100 or under $59. Like, come on now. It should just be click and work. You know what? I think this thing's warped. I think I got a disc that's got a wobble on it. Wait a minute. Let me pause this thing here. Houston, we have liftoff. See that? Awesome. Why did I buy a Milwaukee? Well, I have a yellow one. I have one of those that are like greenish. What was it? Makita. I have a DeWalt, a Makita. I have a Milwaukee. Maybe I'll buy a Ryobi next. Wait, let me check to see what I got here. I have two Makitas, a DeWalt, now a Milwaukee. Next, I'll buy a cheap Ryobi, and yes, I want 7 grinders. Tell me I want. That's all I want. 7, maybe 8 or 10. But, you know, 7's a good. 5 right now is good. 2 more. So, enjoy. Hope you liked the video. Thanks. Bye.